Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this little birdhouse from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to paint the bottom half of it white. So just this front part and the two sides. And I'm just doing a quick coat of white acrylic paint. And again, like the little top area here and then both of the sides. And at first I tried to stay away from that edge, but I did end up painting that edge white because it doesn't really matter. We're not going to see any of this white anyway. Once I have that all painted white, I'm going to take this mint color and I'm going to paint just the back half of the house here. So not the roof, just this whole back piece with this mint color. Getting up as close to those roof edges as I can without painting on the actual roof. And just keep going until I get that whole area completely covered in that mint paint. Once that's all painted, the final color is going to be a magenta color, and I'm going to do that on the roof. So I'm going to do these eaves and underneath them and then the top with this magenta color. Get that all painted, and then it's time to move on to the next step. Here it is all painted, and now it's time to add this napkin, and I got this from a follower. She sent it to me. I'm going to cover the front with some Mod Podge, a nice thin even coat, and then kind of pick where I want on the napkin to show, lay it on there, and then smooth it out with my hands. I'm just being very gentle. And then I'm going to take some Mod Podge and do the sides. So I'm just going to put a little bit of Mod Podge on the sides here and then fold that napkin over. And again, smoothing it out with my hands. And repeat the same on the other side. And then just smooth it out again. And then I'm just going to let that fully dry. And then I'm going to start to sand it off with my sander. So I'm going to start with the outside edges and the bottom. And just kind of remove all of that excess napkin. And then for the top half, I'm just going to take a nail file and get in all those little grooves at the top. Once I have that all fully sanded, I am going to take a couple of small pieces of floral foam and I'm going to glue them into the bottom here. Just kind of glue one on top of each other. And then I'm going to add these pretty florals that match the napkin. So just kind of fill it up as much as I can. Ended up doing 2 in there. And then I thought it needed a third, so I added that in. And that is it. I'm going to arrange those how I want them, and this project is finished. I think this turned out so super cute. I love all the colors, and I absolutely love how the flowers completely match the napkin. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this project. I hope it inspires you to make one, and as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.